Packing liquids for shipment can be challenging, but we can help you prevent spills and spoilage, whether you're wondering how to send a fun surprise to a loved one or how to ship beverages for your business. First, make sure the item you're shipping is a non-hazardous, non-dangerous liquid. If you have questions about what is safe to ship, call the Dangerous Goods Hotline. Shipping alcohol is also highly regulated. Individuals cannot ship alcohol, and businesses can learn more at this website. Once you're ready to ship, you'll need a heavy-duty corrugated box, packing tape, strapping tape, a watertight container, corrugated dividers, absorbent packing material, and bubble packaging. We recommend watertight plastic containers for liquid shipping and a box that is just large enough to accommodate the container and cushioning. Fill the container, leaving room at the top to accommodate changes in air pressure without causing the container to burst. Then, place strapping tape in an X over the closure from the top to the bottom of the container to prevent the top from vibrating off. Seal the bottom of your box, applying tape equally across all the seams and flaps. If you're shipping multiple containers of liquid, make sure to separate the containers from each other and the walls of the box to help prevent damage. You can wrap each container in bubble packaging and add an additional sheet between the walls of the box and the containers. Or use a corrugated box divider to keep the containers separated. Be sure to include an absorbent material like paper towels, cotton balls, cellulose wadding, or moisture-absorbing packets to soak up any liquids that spill. Fill any empty spaces in the box with cushioning material and add a copy of your shipping label inside the box. Be sure to tape all seams of the box. Place the label on top of the box to increase the chances that it will be shipped in the preferred orientation. Avoid shipping any liquids in a poly bag. Now you know how to ship beverages, beauty products, and other liquids with confidence. Or, of course, you can always bring your shipments to FedEx office and we'll pack it for you for a fee. For even more packaging tips, visit fedex.com/packaging.